travelers, happy Saturday. I am preparing for my first full 8-day cruise. So today is Saturday and I am getting things prepared. This morning I got up really early. I had to go get my hair done. I wasn't going to do anything, but I decided to go with, I was going to get braids, but I changed my mind at the last minute. I said, I always do braids when I go on a cruise, and I'm going to do something a little bit different, something I've never had before. So I decided to go with the faux locks, and they have, so this is what it looks like. And then she just did this little twist on the sides. So I'm probably going to take that out and so I could tie it up tonight. And then they have like these little curlies on the end. And it's really long. You'll probably see in one of my videos when I'm on the cruise. Longer than I normally get, but I was like, you know what? I always do the same thing. It's all good. I want to do something different. I think I'm actually going to be able to take my one sun hat. I did get a sun hat that you could wrap around. So if you have like a ponytail, that should be here on Tuesday, I believe. I do have a black one that I got from Carnival. You know how they have the $10 sale? So I did grab one on one of my cruises. And I also had to stop at the not the dollar store, Walmart. I stopped at Walmart today because this is an 8-day cruise and I'm trying not to pack too much. Right now my suitcase is weighing in, I think it was like 38. But you know how when you go on a cruise, you always, well, most of the time you bring stuff back with you. So I wanted to get prepared for that. I said, you know what, let me take some laundry stuff just in case I can take less with me, wash up a few things, you know, instead of taking multiple pairs of pajamas, I could take a couple and just wash them. So I got this little packet from Walmart, this little kit. You can put jewelry, toiletries, cosmetics in it. I might switch this out for another one, but I think I'm going to use it for my laundry items. So I got 2 packs of the little ties. I think these are the cutest thing ever because it looks like a bottle of tie. So I did get 2 of those. And I don't know why. I think because I was rushing and didn't want to be late for my hair appointment. I picked up this box and didn't even look at it because it was right next to the the laundry detergent. I thought this was the fabric sheets. It's not, it's the to-go wipes. So I'm like, oh my goodness. So what I'm going to do is I'm still going to take a couple packs of these to-go wipes, and I'm just going to grab some of my dryer sheets and just put in here. So I have the 2 Tide packs there. I probably only will just need one, but you never know. So I'm going to take 2 of the white packets, and then I grabbed another one of these containers. You could put like shower gel and all that stuff in it. But what I'm going to do with this, I know this might be a little extra for some of you, but I have the scent boosters. So I'm going to put some of the scent boosters in here so I can wash my clothes. And then I also have 2 of the pods I want to take with me. I know it might be extra, but like I said, you just never know. So I just want to be prepared. And if I do decide to do laundry, I don't have to pay for their stuff, right? So if I have all of that in here, this is going to be my laundry kit. Oh, and I'm still going to put a couple dryer sheets in here too. So that's going to be my laundry kit. I might use my Cricut and print the word laundry on here, or maybe wash and go. I don't know. I might put something on there, but I just wanted to share that with you. That's pretty much all I did today to get prepared for this upcoming cruise. I did stop at my mom's. I checked on her, got her situated, got her all good to go. I have a meeting tonight with my team, and then I'm going to relax. And tomorrow I'm going to go through my suitcase and organize things a little bit more. I might show you a couple of my packing cubes and get that ready. And other than that, I'm pretty much good to go. So this is my preparation. I might combine this video with another video of the drive up to the airport or something like that. But in preparation for a cruise. So let me know in the comments, do you pack laundry stuff? Typically, if you're doing like a 4 or 5 day, you probably don't. But if you've cruised longer than that, or if you do a back to back, meaning you're going on a cruise as soon as that cruise gets back, or you're doing on the same cruise line, or are you doing a side by side, which means you're cruising on one cruise line or one ship and getting off and getting on a different cruise line the following day or the same day when you return. So if you've ever done a back-to-back side-by-side or a 14-day, what else is there? 21 days. Well, you probably would. But do you pack enough for the 21 days, or do you pack what you need and then you do laundry? Let me know in the comments. I'm just curious if you have a packing kit, or do you use the laundry stuff that Carnival offers. I don't even know what they have. Do they have Tide? Do they use an off-brand? Do they have the boosters and all the extra stuff? Because I mean, I love the smell of the scent boosters. So do you use the fabric softener? Oh, you know what? I might have to bring, I did get another one. So there's one in here. Got an extra one. So I might put some fabric softener in there. I don't know. I might be okay just for a couple days. So let me know if you do laundry when you're on your cruise. See you in the next video.